Okay, so a very good afternoon to you out there. Oh, that's right. So I still go by the name the Undisputed MC Philemon. Okay, so that's right. So as I indicated earlier on, we have one of the largest fan-based musician here. Yes, that's right. So he's one of the greatest musicians on campus. And he goes by the name Guap, Dennis Guap. That's right. I really love this guy very well, Dennis Guap, from the label Guap Nation. We've also no time to go to Studio B for a very quick exclusive interview. Oh, with Dennis Guap. Alright, that's right. So you're welcome, sir, to Parrot FM.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah, you're looking good. You're looking good. What's your secret? I'm sure you're powerful. That's right. My
God is always the greatest.
That's right. That's right. Yeah.
Okay. Before, I would like to thank everybody who's listening, to Parrot FM, and to my fans and everybody out there who's supporting the dream. And we are here to make you proud.
That's right.
And today we are here to talk about my new app, and there's a 5-track album. But I'm releasing one of the tracks on the album on this 21st of this month.
So you mean 21st?
21st of this month.
That's next week Saturday, right?
Yeah, please.
Wow. So can I know the title of the album?
The title of the album is JWAP. That is Guap.
Guap.
Yeah, and it's God will always protect.
God will always protect. Guap. JWAP. Yeah. That's right. Yeah.
But the title of the track that I want to release is called Money Love.
Money Love. That's right. I'm having interest in the name.
Yeah, seriously, yeah.
That's right. I said Money Love. Money Love. Okay, so and then about Tima, you just took Money Love, as the title of your album. What just came to mind?
Okay, let me break it down. Like Money Love. Yeah, they buy cheap Castanima or Sika.
Okay.
And I say Sika.
Okay.
I mean, I'm trying to let people or my fans or the people who listen to my music know about the current situation at hand.
Okay.
Like the current situation that we are having, we the younger people or we the younger guys that we are growing up, we are having currently.
Okay.
Because I wrote this song, it was out of an experience.
Wow.
Yeah.
So can you share a bit of that experience?
Okay. It was just that my girlfriend left me because I didn't have money.
Wow, your girlfriend left you because you didn't have money. Wow, this is so serious.
Yeah, I didn't have money, so she left me.
Okay.
But I was ready to give her real love.
Wow.
Because I really love that girl.
Wow.
Yeah, for real.
That's what I was saying. My girlfriend left me because I wasn't having money.
Yeah,
that's Guap music, and that is his experience. Okay, so anything juicy for the guys out there?
Oh, right now, what I would say is you guys should stay tuned to my new song. I'm dropping it on 21st, and everybody should be ready for it. But I'm going to drop the album. I didn't know, but probably within next month I'm going to drop the album. I'm trying to drop a video too.